Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. Speed through your team's biggest bottlenecks with AI-powered workflows that turn hours of manual work into minutes of smart collaboration. Generating innovative product ideas shouldn't take weeks. The AI Playground template transforms ideation into structured, productive outcomes. Open the template, describe your challenge to the brainstorming sidekick, and get rich material in minutes. Then, follow the instructions to create impressive outcomes using Miro flows. Convert concepts into development timelines. Technical diagrams, or feature prioritization tables. Everything stays connected on the AI innovation workspace. Many teams use this framework for quarterly planning, feature prioritization, and innovation workshops. If you want to see the complete AI Playground workflow, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the description. The Flowchart template turns text-based procedures into clear visual diagrams instantly. Paste your documented process into a Miro doc. Use the AI-powered prompt to automatically create a flowchart from your text. Miro AI maps out steps, decisions, and outcomes for you. Refine by adding colors to categorize steps. Invite your team to review and refine together. Spot inefficiencies faster. Identify bottlenecks and align your team around a single source of truth. The Customer Journey Map template helps you see your product through customer eyes. Create a proto-persona. Outline key journey phases and capture actions, touch points, emotions, and pain points for each stage. Identify opportunities to address friction points directly. Move beyond data points to understand customer feelings. Pinpoint where customers struggle, create cross-functional alignment, and translate pain points into actionable opportunities. Miro offers dozens more AI-accelerated templates. Prototype template, Sprint planning template, Kanban framework template, PI planning template, and more. Each combines proven frameworks with AI capabilities that eliminate manual work and keep your team focused on strategic decisions. Ready to speed through your biggest bottlenecks? Try these AI-accelerated templates in Miro today. Subscribe for more tutorials that help you work faster and smarter in Miro.